My steering's still a bit off. Son of a. What's going on, Wolfpack? Dave here with another update on the Stang. And last where I left off, I went ahead and upgraded the suspension and added a steering angle kit. And when I took it for a spin, I happened to get some wheel wobble. So my alignment was off. Now I did attempt to fix that by mirroring the exact length of the tie rods on each side, but I'm still having that slight toe out. So in this video, I'm gonna attempt to do my own front wheel alignment and fix that issue and hopefully get it resolved. Also been meaning to do like Jeep camp out videos at the beach because I miss my surfing, but my Jeep also gave me a service electronic throttle control, so I need to get that addressed. But the dealerships, because I already tried addressing the issue myself, it looks like a wire came loose and caused this whole mess. So now I have to wait a month for it to get resolved. So hopefully soon we'll get her back up and running, because right now she is in limp mode, so that's not good. In any case, back to it. No. Alright, so I measured my distance to the tire. Looks like I'm at 66. Alright, so looks like I'm at 66 inches from the front and 65 inches from the back, so that's like a 1-inch delta. I thought I had it less than that, but that makes sense. I'm having a toe out issue that's giving me a wheel wobble, so I need to get that fixed. Hopefully I can get it back even. Maybe it'll be like 65 and a half, 65 and a half. Let's see. The steering angle kit actually mentions to toe out 1/8 to 1/4. Alright, so all I have to do now is do some fine tuning on my tie rods. So as you can see, it should be as simple as loosening up my bolt, tightening the tie rod inward to bring the front in and be more straightforward. So let's give that a shot. Alright guys, let's see how it goes. Woo! Now that I know more or less what I'm doing, I should be within good specs that I don't have any alignment issues. Fingers crossed, because this is my 3rd attempt, but to be fair, my first 2 attempts, it was just me just trying to figure it out on my own. That's the engineer in me, just, you know, I just like to figure things out on my own first before someone tells me how. Alright. Alright, let's do a quick lap around the block. See how it feels. Oh, I need to put some gas. All right, still wants to steer right on its own, unfortunately. Ah, my steering's still a bit off. Son of a bitch. It's fine. All right, here's the true test, because so far I haven't been able to go above 30 or up to 30 without wheel wobble. All right, that's up to 40 mph. Oh, there's my wheel wobble. Although it's not as horrible as before. Huh. That's probably because that slight, I'm just slightly off to the right now, just ever so slightly. Damn it. Thought I had it. That's fine. Off to the right a bit. Alright guys, so there you have it. I brought my steering angle into spec by 1/4 of an inch, but I'm still getting a wheel wobble. That's a little concerning. Only thought is that maybe my camber needs to be better aligned, but in any case, daylight's running thin, so I'm gonna save that for another day. If not, I may just give up and take it into an alignment center and get it done and figure out what I did wrong for the next time. In any case, that's it for now, guys. Stay wild.